Paranoid personality disorder. They don't just suspect you, they're convinced you're plotting against them. Every word is coded. Every smile is a weapon. Every friendship is a future betrayal. They build walls so high that sunlight becomes suspicious. Trust isn't hard, it's impossible. Love feels like a trap. Loyalty feels like bait. They push you away before you can hurt them, not realizing the only prison is the one they built around themselves. They're not cautious, they're caged. And the key? They swallowed it long ago. Schizoid personality disorder. Not lonely, not depressed, just absent. They chose a world with no doors. They watch life like a movie they never bought tickets for. Close enough to see, too far to feel. Love is a language they never learned. Not broken, just never assembled. They don't miss what they never had. They don't hate people. They just don't need them. A day alone and a day with others feel exactly the same. Ask them about their dreams. They draw a blank. Ask about their fears? Same blank. They're not hiding. They're just empty pages. They won't let you in. Not because you're dangerous, because you're unnecessary. Their world has one citizen, and they're finally at peace. Schizotypal. Not crazy, just tuned to a different frequency. They see signs you miss, hear messages in static. Magic isn't entertainment, it's survival. Every ritual, every superstition, a shield against chaos they feel but can't name. Their best friend might be a shadow, but that shadow never lies, never leaves, never judges. Can you blame them for preferring it? They read the world like a coded letter. Numbers whisper, clouds warn. Coincidence doesn't exist. Everything means something. Everything connects. Social rules are a foreign language. They study, mimic, fail, smile at wrong times, laugh at wrong things. Not cruel, just lost in translation. They don't live in your reality or a fantasy. They live in the crack between, and somehow they've made it home. Antisocial. Not shy, not awkward, dangerous. They don't avoid people. They hunt them. No remorse, no guilt, no midnight regrets. They destroy lives like you delete emails. Casual, permanent, forgotten. Life is a game. You're a piece. They cheat, they win, they reset the board. The thrill isn't victory, it's playing with lives. Rules are for sheep. Laws are suggestions. They walk through fire, emerge clean, leave others burning. Charm is their alibi. The mask never slips. They practiced smiling in mirrors, learned empathy from textbooks, perform humanity so well, even they almost believe it. Behind the charm, a wolf. Behind the handshake, a trap. They don't want your love. They want your weakness. And they're always hungry. Borderline. Not moody, not dramatic. Living on a knife edge between love and hate, between holding on and destroying. They don't fear being alone. They fear being left. The difference is everything. They cling until they suffocate, then push until they break. Love is worship. Hate is war. There's no middle. You were perfect yesterday, trash today. And they'll burn themselves trying to decide which is true. Inside a black hole. They fill it with people, with pain, with chaos. Nothing stays. The emptiness always wins. Impulse is their enemy and their only friend. Drive fast, spend hard, feel something, anything. Then wake up ashamed and do it again. They look in the mirror and see a stranger. Who are they today? Whoever you need, whoever you want, whoever fills the silence for a moment. Histrionic. Not confident, not charismatic, starving. Every room is a stage. Every silence is a threat. Every eye is oxygen. They don't wear masks. They are masks. Happy, sexy, tragic, brave, whatever you need, whoever you want. The real them? They forgot where they left it. Seduction isn't desire, it's survival. They collect attention like others collect memories. Touch one stranger, move to next, never full, always hungry. Drama isn't entertainment, it's proof they exist. The story grows, the tragedy deepens, the tears flow on cue. Oscar-worthy suffering, empty core. Their emotions are an inch deep and a mile wide. Love passionately, forget instantly, cry with you, replace you tomorrow. No malice, just no depth. Behind the curtain, they collapse. No audience, no self. They rush back on stage, become someone new, anyone new. The show must go on, because the dark, that's where they disappear. Narcissistic. Not confident. Compensating. A king in a hall of mirrors, worshipping reflections that can't love back. No empathy. Only mirrors. Your pain is static. Your story is boring. Their world has one citizen, and they built walls so high, even they can't escape. Compliments are oxygen. Without supply, they suffocate. They'll charm, destroy, gaslight, anything to keep the crown from falling. Grandiose dreams, cardboard mountains. They demand you build their empire, then blame you when it collapses. Behind the throne, empty. The mask slips, fear shows. They attack anyone who sees the real them. Lonely kings, dying on thrones they built themselves. The crown is heavy, but taking it off, that's the one thing they can't do. Avoidant. Not shy, terrified. They see judgment in every glance, rejection in every silence, so they hide before you can hurt them. Mirror shows monsters, imperfections magnified, flaws exaggerated. They believe they're unlovable, and your compliments feel like lies. They reach for connection, then remember past pain. Hand retreats, moment passes, loneliness returns. Almost is their constant state. Criticism doesn't sting. It destroys. One word replayed for years, proof of worthlessness. They shrink their world to avoid the next blow. Walls become fortresses. Fortresses become islands. They build walls within walls, lost in their own defense, safe and starving. They dream of love, then imagine rejection. Choose safety, bury hope. Not dead, just buried alive. And the dirt, they threw it themselves. Dependent. Not loving, terrified of being alone. They don't cling from affection, they cling from survival. No decisions, no opinions, no self. Just tell me what to wear, what to think, who to be. Without you, they disappear. Abandonment is death. Hours feel like years. They apologize for needing you, then need you more. The door opening is oxygen. They mirror you perfectly. Your tastes become theirs, your words become theirs. Alone, they're empty. With you, they're you. Submissive to a fault. Abuse feels like love because at least someone stayed. Better used than abandoned. Better broken than alone. Inside, an infant never grew. Rocking empty cradle, soothing self. The need is ancient, the hunger endless, and no one can fill what was empty from the start. Obsessive-Compulsive. Not tidy. Terrified of chaos. They don't organize for pleasure. They organize to survive the storm they feel coming. Control is oxygen. Others are variables, threats to perfect order. They correct, punish, discipline, and wonder why everyone leaves. Work is worship. Rest is sin. They climb forever, achieve everything, feel nothing. The checklist grows, the void grows with it. Rigid as stone, right as religion. They break before bending, judge before understanding. The world changes, they stand still, proud and alone. They hoard memories in objects, order in rules, identity in productivity. Letting go means disappearing, so they hold tighter, shrink smaller. Perfect prison, perfectly organized, safe, controlled, empty. The storm never came, but they built the shelter so high, they forgot there was a sky.